I've been trying to find an appropriate 3D print to fit over the Betafpv version 2 naked GoPro case and printed all these out, and none of them really worked that well because whenever I put it on it would warp a bit, and I needed one that would fit the camera butter ND filter like it'll stick on the surface here. And out of all this, I finally found one that I liked. I don't know if you can see it, but it sits, once you put it in, it sits nice and flush, and it's nice and straight down here. It doesn't warp, so the filter sticks on perfectly. I did, however, had to tweak the file a bit because I made it thicker, and I don't know if you can see it, but I cambered it. You can see it's kind of like cambered in here, and the purpose of that is it will sit slightly higher than the GoPro lens, and it should not have any vignetting, or however you pronounce that. So you get no black corners on even any view. It's perfect. So this fits nice flush on here. There you have it. That's a good view right there. You can see it's kind of cambered. All right.